Hi all, today let's break down the Trade Unions Act 1926, a key law that protects workers and strengthens collective power. A trade union is simply a group of people who come together, either for a short time or permanently, with one main goal: to manage and improve the relationship between workers and employers, workers and other workers, or even between employers and other employers. They may also work to set certain rules or restrictions on how a business or trade is run. Then how to register a trade union? To register the trade union, 7 or more people can make an application to the registrar. This application must include a copy of the rules of the trade union, a statement with the following details: names, jobs, and addresses of the members applying, the name of the trade union and the address of its main office, titles, names, ages, addresses, and jobs of the people who will run the trade union, called office bearers. The registrar can call for more information to ensure a trade union's application meets legal requirements. Registration can be refused until the information is provided. If the proposed name is identical or too similar to an existing union's name and may cause confusion, the registrar will ask for a name change and will not register the union until the name is changed. Every registered trade union is a legal entity that has a perpetual succession and a body common seal. It has power to acquire and hold both movable and immovable property. It can sue and be sued under its registered name. And no civil suit or legal proceedings can be taken against a TU in certain cases. The eligibility criteria for being an office bearer in the case of a trade union includes any member of the executive thereof, but does not include an auditor and can be disqualified if he has not attained the age of 18 years or has been convicted in an Indian court for a crime involving moral wrongdoing and sentenced to prison unless 5 years have passed since their release. And 50% of the office bearers should be engaged in the same industry. 2 or more registered trade unions can merge into one, with or without combining or separating their funds. This can happen only if at least half of the members of each union vote, and at least 60% of those votes support the merger. A written notice of every name change or amalgamation must be sent to the registrar. For a name change, it must be signed by the secretary and 7 members of the trade union. For an amalgamation, it must be signed by the secretary and 7 members of each trade union involved. Wait for the part 2 and subscribe the channel for more such simplified concepts.